I want to talk today about a specific type of breakout group known as Host Defined. And what Host Defined means is that using the breakout icon in the upper right, you can allow participants to move between different breakout rooms that you name. So those different breakout rooms could have different topics. So if it was an election Host Defined breakout topic, it could be about jobs, trade, criminal justice, or the environment. We're going to go over how to do that in MaestroConference. So let's go to the social webinar interface and see that the breakout icon already has some different options. So in this case, I'm doing different options about talking about different aspects of a company. So we have sales, we've got operations, we've got customer success, and we've got the main room. So currently I'm in the main room, but let's say I wanted to move to sales. I would just go into the sales breakout, and you can see the other person, in this case, the recording bot, in the sales breakout. Similarly, I can move to operations, or I can move to customer success. Now let's figure out how to do that as a host or presenter, how to set that up. So let's go to the conductor interface. And what you see in the conductor interface is a number of premium recording bots. And those premium recording bots are going to let you set up these different rooms. I go over premium recordings in another section, so refer to that video, that section of the video, in order to set up premium recording. So what you're going to need to do in order to set up these different rooms is you're going to need to go to Breakouts, and then go to Create New Breakout, and then you're going to have to name the breakout. So keeping with our theme of different aspects of a company, let's put marketing in, and let's go to Create. So what you've done is you created a new breakout. You're the only one in that breakout. But let's go and put a bot in that marketing breakout. So we've selected a bot, and let's go ahead and put that in marketing. So what you'll see now is that there are two people in marketing, myself and the bot. We go and look at what that looks like, and so another bot is there. And so then we're able to go back to the main room. Now the reason you're doing it this way is because you need to have someone in each of the breakouts for each of the breakouts to continue. So that means you always have to have a bot in a breakout in order for that breakout to maintain itself. And let's do one more just to make sure that we get what's going on. Let's create a new breakout, and let's make this new breakout support. So let's go ahead and create that breakout. So again, we've created that breakout. We're the only one here. Going to the conductor interface, let's put that person into support. So now that there are two people in support, we go back and look and we see that there are two people in support. We go back to the main room and you're still able to select support. So let's say these were the only rooms you wanted individuals to go to. You would set that up before the conference and then say, using the breakout icon, move to the room that is most applicable to you, or the room that you want to talk about. Then people have the option of moving to customer success, marketing, support, operations, or sales. So those are all the different ways to set up host-defined rooms. So if you want to have a breakout session like that or an event like that, that's how you do it. Thanks.